Welcome learners. This is Dr. T. Gangaram, lecturer in statistics, SVA Government College, Srikalahasti. The objective of this video lecture is to find first and second derivatives of Newton backward formula. Newton backward formula is used when the values of x is near the end of the table. It is based on backward differences, nebula y, useful for interpolation and differentiation near last data points. Let u is equal to x minus xn by h. The Newton backward interpolation formula is given by y is equal to yn plus u into nebula yn plus u into u plus 1 by 2 factorial nebula square yn, so on. We need to find the u terms, differentiate u terms, these coefficient terms. The chain rule is this y is expressed in terms of u and u is depending on x. So in the similar to Newton forward formula, y is a composite function of u and x. If we differentiate dy by dx, we can substitute du in the numerator and denominator. After differentiating, du by dx is equal to 1 by h, similar to Newton forward. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by h into dy by du. D square y by dx square is equal to 1 by h square into d square y by du square. The differentiating binomial type terms, coefficients contain expressions like u into u plus 1 into u plus 1, u plus 2. So, for example, u into u plus 1 by 2, we can write it as u square plus u by 2. Differentiating them, 2u plus 1 by 2. For this term, first derivative is 2u plus 1 by 2. Similarly, we differentiate the remaining terms also, apply differentiation term by terms. We can get the coefficients in the following way. The term u, first derivative is 1 and second derivative is 0, and for the second term it is 2u plus 1 by 2, 1. Similarly, the third and fourth terms. Substituting the chain rule terms and coefficients in Newton backward formula, f dash x is equal to 1 by h into nebula yn plus 2u plus 1 by 2 nebula square yn, 2u square plus 6u plus 2 by 6 nebula square nebula cube yn. At x is equal to xn, at the ending point u becomes 0. Now the first derivative at x is equal to xn is 1 by h into nebula yn, u becomes 0, 1 by 2 nebula square yn. In this terms, u terms becomes 0, 2 by 6 is 1 by 3 nebula cube yn, 1 by 4 nebula power 4 yn. You need to remember this expression. It is the first derivative of Newton backward formula at x is equal to xn. Similarly, if we differentiate twice, 1 by h square into nebula square yn, u plus 1 into nebula cube yn, so on. Keeping x is equal to xn, u becomes 0. Now the second derivative at x is equal to xn is 1 by h square nebula square yn. This u becomes 0, nebula cube yn. Here 11 by 12 nebula power 4 yn. So this next term is 5 by 6 nebula power 5 yn. This is the second derivative of Newton backward formula at x is equal to xn. It is useful for the interpolation, finding the differentiation values at the end of the table. We use backward difference table and similar derivation as forward formula, but signs differ. Provides accurate derivatives near last data point. Thank you.